30 matches, they're done. Pirates in 2 matches, they need 1 win. What's your thought?
I know. I have to admit, and I said Sundowns will win the league. Honestly, I've been consistent saying that. But if I can be honest, Pirates will win the league. Pirates will be motivated. They can't lose 2 games, especially going to Orlando this week. So, Durban City, yes, number 6, 7, 8, corner. I think by top 8.
Yeah.
But they don't have a quality to beat Sundowns. Even if Sundowns, I mean to say Pirates, even if 1 game they can draw, I don't think go beat. Ngizwile ngathi game eDobsonville. I heard ngeruma nje kancane. It might go ukuthi eDobsonville. It's sort of home ground Orlando Pirates. Kuyoba sold out because it's lula Orlando ama neighbor neDobsonville. People will come in numbers. So I'm not too sure ukuthi bazoyimela lonto le. So 1 game I think Pirates will win nje. Nangayo le Durban City. I think Pirates is going to win the game Saturday and the league will be done. So I Sundowns people win and now they must focus on Champions League.
Noma bangenzani bafethu this season Orlando Pirates ngeke iwin league. Orlando Pirates izothola ama draw i2. A draw against Durban City, a draw against Ilona, iOrbit College. Umquba we team Orlando Pirates izocollapse. Why? Ngoba bayatatazela. Siyabazi labantu laba. When it matters the most, Orlando Pirates iyacollapse. iSundowns ihlele phezulu. Orlando Pirates izofila ipressure yeMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi ihlele phezulu. Ngeke bayiwin league labantu laba. Uwadu uDodo coach ngimbonile lo muntu lona bafethu. Ileague uyiwinela ama player njengoba uLeratashilo. Yena ezu coach akazanga ukuba strong uwadu sambona ukuthi ucoach wenhlanhla lo muntu lo wacoacha 12 games kuMarumo Gallant wakusenguseka ya coach manje Orlando Pirates uthole vele team good powerful strong even uJose Rivero bokudodo coach but ngoba ucoacha i-team ene culture yokuwina icoach ene management or ene management good that is why wakwazi ukuwina lamakhabla wawinile but coach be Orlando Pirates abaningi bafethu abaqualify uwadu usizwe Orile Mfukeng uwadu usizwe Osona Police uwadu usizwe defensive midfielder uwadu usizwe ama player Orlando Pirates bone confidence but yena as a coach never.
Somewhere out there is a group of people who think that Durban City can do something. There is a group of people who think that Durban City can try to hold Orlando Pirates into a draw. I have news for you. Durban City ke ngintshela bengabuzanga babhizi lapha eThekwini baparada icup yabo yeNedbank. Abajimi bagcwele iTheku lonke bangamagidangoma kumnandi party. They are celebrating. They chose this time to celebrate their Nedbank. A few days before they go into the lion's den, before they go to hell. They don't call that place Escotini for nothing. Kasatane. Before baya Kasatane, they decide to throw a party. That tells you everything that you need to know about Orlando Pirates. That tells you everything that you need to know. I don't know if they engrave Betway Cup. They should start writing it now. Orlando Pirates 2025-2026 because Durban City is parading. They don't give a fuck about this game.
Ibola liyaginqika yazi ngenzeka Durban City kushaye bese kwenzeke iOrbit College ufike udlala idraw noma iDurban City udlala idraw neOrbit College futhi Durban City iphela nayo iqeda kwini cup iOrbit College nayo iviki ize abayihasu abehlathini basuke bengafuni ukuvika izembe ngoba abayehlathini baya befuna ukuvika izembe belivika bawuvika izembe ngelinye ilanga hayi le season ngeke bevika izembe ngathi khohlwa nalo Durban City soyishanje yona soyishaya kakhulu ke futhi Durban City iOrbit College sebenzisa labafana bakuyiDDC laba bethatha nabi league so besebenzisa bona sebashaya ngo3-1 laba sinankinga nabo laba vele abanithi Durban City lengathi ithemba leni ngathi ligcwele likubo kakhulu labo sabavuthulula kabuhlungu kabi straight kitchen sobe sayiqhawule ke opponent earena so behlisi chaphisa insimbi so during pitch inspection ubona sitho right kitchen get out kanjani trophy abonge for close.
Umbuzo sengiwuthole kaningi, will Orlando Pirates be crowned the champions if they beat Durban City on Saturday at Orlando Amstel Arena? The short answer is no. Why? Because there's still a theoretical chance of Pirates losing the league title on the last day against Orbit College. Uzoyibuza komnye umuntu kanjani ngoba iPirates, if they beat Durban City on Saturday, they're gonna go level on points with the Mamelodi Sundowns, and they have a superior goal difference. Well, so babili sebesina 68 points, but let's say Pirates wins 1-0. It's still possible on the last day for Pirates to lose. Mathematically and theoretically, it's possible for Pirates to lose 10-0, which would hand the Mamelodi Sundowns the league title because of a goal difference. And for the same reason, the Pirates can't be given a guard of honor by Orbit College. And we totally guard of honor and we nikezwa a cup until it's like mathematically impossible for anyone to catch up with you. So Orlando Pirates njengamanje idinga ukuwina umdlalo oyi-1 bese avoid ukuluza by a huge margin. Even if they beat Durban City 3-0, it's still possible for mathematically. If Orbit beats Pirates 15-0 or so, equal differences of favor Sundowns, is we looking at 68 points best Sundowns winning league. Anyway, now omunye piece of information ngizokunikeza wona. iKaizer Chiefs yaluza ileague kanjalo ngo1987. iJomo Cosmos in the league title A1 kuphela in history. Yayiwina 1987. Yayicompete neChiefs leyo abo Dr. Khumalo. iChiefs needed just 1 point in 3 games. 1 point in 3 games. iChiefs yenza njani? They lost all those 3 games and iJomo Cosmos yabilokhu imile nje yagcina ithatha ileague title yayo. So angisho ukuthi kuzokwenzeka. I'm just like trying to clarify le nto leyo ukuthi Pirates ngeke iwin ileague. They won't be declared the champions even if they win this Saturday until kuze kukhale final whistle ngomdlalo wokugcina nci, because even ngo last minute if Orbit can somehow score 10 goals then izoyiwina ileague.
Yazi lihleli apha ndiyacinga ba enoba lamadoda Orlando Pirates awe oba ileague thina siyiphakamisile neskipa zethu sezibhalwe 2026 champions. Inoba bayayazi nalonto omvukeni namadoda. Hayi bangayenzi impazamo. Singathini ebantwini? Konyanzeleka kuba if kunento mhlawumbe kwapha baleka khona kuyanyanzeleka kuba lo referee lo wazobe ephethe lo game a-charge penalty noba umuntu ukhatyelwe ngasesenta uba iOrlando Pirates ikore kuba kwayena ngeke aphume kaloku ingakumbi kula match yokugqibela. Hayi ngcono abafana aba bayilungise kwiDurban City siye sikhululekile kula match yokugqibela kuba ndiyakuxelela if iSouth Africa iyayazi into eyilungeleyo ababonisana noba bangafaka i-yellow envelope noba i-brown noba i-gold envelope, but bangasitshintshi isigqibo sokuba thina sithathe ileague. Ingavele ivalwe iSouth Africa kaloku.
I'm begging you, Durban City, please, Durban City, please, Durban City. You literally have a chance to give us the most exciting closing week of the Betway Premiership, because obviously against Orbit College 23rd, whenever they're gonna Orbit will twerk, so they'll still take it. But Durban City, you guys can add spice into this whole situation. Please, Durban City, I am begging you, Durban City. Because obviously the game's at Scotland in the arena, so they're planning to beat you and lift it there. But Durban City, if you guys beat them, we will have the greatest week building up to the final week, to the final game. Can you imagine the nerves of the fans, the nerves of the players, the coaches, Orbit College fighting relegation? Literally, this is a script writer's dream. Durban City, you have a chance to make that happen, Durban City. Give us the greatest week ever. Obviously, I'm a neutral. I support Kaizer Chiefs. So it's no hate to Orlando Pirates. They'll still take it, like I said earlier on. Orbit will twerk, so they'll take it from Orbit. But Durban City, add spices. Add some nyana to the final week, Durban City. Please, I'm begging you, Durban City. Do not lose this game, Durban City. Do not lose this game. If you want to make it even more exciting, beat them like 2-0. Oh, Durban City, that'll be the greatest week. I can't even imagine it.
Zamushaya Konis! Lakar! engathi izoyisuthi induku i-Arrows madoda. Wadala ugoalkeeper Mayoba ngakhale nethi Lampona kiri Yasha TV
umakhupa nangoke umakhupa esedansa lapha yaqhwaza yahlokoma enkundla kwazalela inhlokotho kule ndawo yenzile ngempela indaba umakhupa